Hi, welcome to a short video just chatting about Harrington repairs and alterations that we can do. So popular repair that we carry out day to day tends to be on the cuffs. When the cuffs get all worn out, as you can see there, they all go a bit worn on the edges as they get older, and especially with this one, this is a vintage one from back in the day, and obviously all the cuffs gone all worn out and it's gone there. So we have a way we can take the cuff off, and then we can shorten the fabric, the existing fabric, only by about ½ inch, and then we put the cuff back on there. Obviously this one's been done, that one's all repaired nice and neat now. Obviously the gentleman, this is an original Barracuda from back in the day. The gentleman that picked it up at a vintage store, so it just needed a couple of running repairs doing to it just to smarten it up again. Another one of the alterations that we tend to do is we tend to taper the bodies on them now and again. Again, if you've picked up a vintage one in one of the vintage stores, you might find the right colour, the right spec that you want and everything, but then it might be a little bit on the large side. So sometimes you won't want it tapering down just a touch, yeah. So thank you very much for watching, and if you've got any questions or queries about any work you want doing, it's michael@jamespersonaltailor.co.uk. So thank you very much for watching, and if you need any work doing on Harringtons, give us a shout, yeah. Thank you.